I'm Anil Kumar, and now let us explore product of complex numbers. In general, a plus bi times c plus di can be written as ac minus bd plus ad plus bci. Now there is no need to remember this, it's simple distributive property. So we will apply on these examples and then try to understand it, okay? So the first one here is 3 plus 2i times 2 minus 3i. In fact, let's go through these questions. You can pause the video, do yourself, and then check your solutions. Second one is minus 2 plus I times 5 minus 3i. Then we have minus 2i plus minus 5 plus 7i. 3 minus 2i times 3 plus 2i, right? So let's begin. So when you apply distributive property, for the first one, we have to multiply 3 with both these numbers, correct? So what do we get? When you do 3 times 2, you get 6. And 3 times minus 3i will be minus 9i. Now let's multiply 2i with both the two numbers, right? So it's a distributive property over binomials. 2i times 2 is 4, so we have 4i. And 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. I times I is I square. You know, I square is minus 1. Remember that. Okay, let's combine the like terms. In this case, minus 9i and this. So let's write 6 first. Minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5 with I, so that's the term. I square is minus 1. So we can write this as minus 6 times minus 1, correct? That is I square. Now minus 6 times minus 1 is plus 6. So what I'll write this as 6 minus 5i plus 6, right? Plus 6. So we get 6 plus 6 as 12. So you can write this as 12 minus 5i. So that is the solution. So I'd like you to follow these steps and do them all, correct? Let's do the next one. Minus 2 times 5 will be minus 10. Minus 2 times minus 3i will be plus 6i. When you multiply by I, we are going to get plus 5i minus 3i square, right? So this time I'll cut one short step. This is minus 10, so this is minus 10. 6 plus 5 is 11i, and I square is negative, so it becomes plus 3, right? And we can always write minus 10 plus 3 as minus 7. So we get here minus 7 plus 11i as our answer, right? Let's do the next one, which is, in this case I have written as, let me make it product, right? We are doing products at present. We are going to multiply the binomial by minus 2i. So minus and minus is plus. So we get plus 2 times 5 is 10i, and minus 2i times plus 7 will give us minus 14i square, right? As you know, minus 14i square will become plus 14. So 10i minus 14, because I square is minus 1, correct? So we get 10i plus 14. This could be rearranged. Always a good practice to write the real term first and then the complex term. So that is our answer, correct? Now let's do the next one, which is 3 minus 2i times 3 plus 2i. These are actually conjugates, right? And the answer should be 3 square plus 2 square. Let us see whether we get it or not. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times plus 2i will be 6i. Let's multiply them now by minus 2i. So minus 2 times 3 is 6i, and that gives us minus 4i square. So it is 9. 6i minus 6i is 0. And here we have minus 4 times minus 1, which is plus, right? 9 plus 4, which is 13. So as expected, when you multiply the conjugate, we get sum of squares of the real terms, right? So that is how we actually do product of complex numbers. I think these examples show you clearly that it's not very important to remember the formula, right? Just expand and simplify. Thank you.